Hello.
Hi.
My name's Officer Thuman. The reason I stopped you was because you didn't stop for that red light and continue to the intersection.
Really?
So you failed to yield. Do you have an ID with you?
I don't.
You don't have? Do you have anything with your picture on it?
No.
Okay. We still had a green light for westbound traffic. Did you notice that when you hit the brakes? No? Okay. Where are you coming from today?
Colors.
Okay. Do you have any debit card or credit card? I'm assuming you paid somehow for that.
Yeah, I pay cash.
Okay. You don't have anything with your name on it though?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your last name?
M-A-L-A-K-O-W-S-K-Y. And Taylor is first name.
Taylor. Okay.
Yep.
Just remain in your vehicle, okay? 3179. Does the county have a K9 on? I ran a Taylor on my call. Can you find a photo and send it to me?
At work.
Hi, any luck with that?
No, he said he doesn't have insurance.
Okay. Would you be willing to step out of the vehicle for me and talk to me?
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
So, I'm trying to put the pieces together here,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Why don't we step back right here so
Okay.
we're not in the middle of the road,
All right.
okay? So, just be honest with me, okay?
Yeah.
I don't think that you are who you say you are.
Why?
Are you who you are? I mean,
Yeah.
just to be straight with me?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. It just looked different than what
Okay,
the...
I've dyed my hair and stuff since then.
Okay, you
so
have.
Like, yeah.
Okay, and that's why I'm asking these
Yeah.
additional questions. Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything that you can provide to me to show me who you are? The photo that I looked at doesn't look like it's you.
Yeah.
It was issued in 2020.
2020.
It also doesn't come back to a Rhinelander address like you had said. It comes back to a different address. Do you know your social security number?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I really. Sorry.
Okay. What do you have in like your wallet? Like, do you have anything in there with your name on it?
I just like
Social security card.
I was dating this guy and he was kind of crazy and he
Okay.
ended up throwing like my purse like into the dam. I have a lot of my stuff in Rhinelander still.
Okay. You
Like,
don't have like a debit card, like a food card.
I've been pretty broke
Nothing?
right now. I just came here because I'm trying to find a better job.
So, is there any other what's the address in Park Falls then that would show?
It was on First Street, I believe. It was one of the streets because I was staying with my old boyfriend. Or was it
Okay.
4th Street?
So you're telling
cut
me
my hair
that
too.
you're confident that that's who you
Yeah.
are?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't know your social security number?
No.
And do you have your card with you?
No.
And I'm detecting a slight odor of like intoxicating beverage. Have you been drinking
No.
it all today?
I can take a breathalyzer. Yep.
And you don't have anything to provide with your name on it?
No,
or
I
a
wish
photo
I did.
ID?
I have to go down to the DMV here.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I thought I got a whiff of something,
Yeah.
but it could have been cigarette smoke or it
Okay.
could have been something else
Okay.
that with the wind. But all right, just remain in your vehicle, okay?
All right. Thank you.
So, I was able to get a DOT photo issued in 2020. I looked at a DOT photo, and this is what I got issued in 2020, and it does not look... I mean, she's got 2 lip piercings now. It just doesn't look very much like her, and I pulled her out of the car just to ask her if she's willing to come out and ask her some questions related to that, just saying, hey, are you confident that that's who you are? What's your social security number?
Yeah, I don't think she's given us her real ID yet, so I think we...
a second opinion on looking at her.
I mean, let's see the photo one last time, just... Yeah. Just... There's a lot of... Based on everything you're telling me... Okay.
I mean, unless there's some sort of...
That
use
didn't
that
take
made a
long.
difference.
Yes.
Hey, ma'am, would you be willing to step out of the vehicle for me again?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Let's step back over here so we're out of
Okay.
traffic again.
Okay.
Well, let's step over here so I don't want to get hit by a car. Is there anything in the vehicle that we should be aware
That I
of?
know of.
Okay. Any needles or anything that's going to poke us while we're...
Shouldn't be.
Okay, because we're going to be conducting a search, okay? So, and again, just to confirm your information, I guess you are who you are, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. And is there any other information, now that you've thought about it, do you know your social security number? Okay.
She has about $500 cash, so I think we can justify taking that with this.
Yeah, intent with those baggies too, are they individually packaged?
There's a
as well?
handful that are individually packaged, but here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 2, 3,
When did you get your piercings?
Just recently, like in the last 6 months.
Okay. Where was that at?
Down Rhinelander.
In Rhinelander?
Start doing it.
Okay. I mean, your hair is the same color. I get that.
Yeah.
Um,
Actually dyed it a little bit darker.
okay.
She lied to me about her
60,
name. Obviously.
80, 100. She's got $500 here. 501. So I'll let you. Well, let's finish the search
Yeah, I
first.
want to continue here so that I can talk to her.
So 501. This was.
Yeah, I just want to address something with her here now.
Okay.
So, Erica, why didn't you tell me your name in the
Taylor.
first? Taylor. So who's the Erica that's on there?
I don't know. I think that's like my friend Doug's
Your
girlfriend.
friend? Erica who?
Bowman.
Woman.
I
Okay.
think.
Oh my god. So much makeup. So, why'd she say she lied?
She's got a PO warrant, what she does. She gave
Yeah.
her sister's name, so misappropriation. Right? If her
Yep.
sister wants to pursue charges.
100%. If you can't get a hold of sister, you can still pass it and let the DA toss it if they want. I've done that in the past.
Yeah, I'm actually lying.
Okay, so who are you? It's not my first day out here.
Dallas.
Okay. What's your last name?
Rand.
Okay. Why didn't you want to give me that information
I'm
in the first place?
licensed.
Okay. So, is there any other reason why you didn't give me?
I have a PO hall in Rhinelander.
Okay. Anything else? Okay.
Yeah, a lot of knives.
Dallas, can you stand up for me, please?
Can I have a cigarette before you take me or no?
Can I what?
Can I have a cigarette before you take me or no?
Yes. Do you have anything on you that I should be
No,
aware of?
I don't.
Okay. So why don't you step in front of my car here? I'm going to search you.
Okay.
No needles?
Nope.
Nothing that's going to poke or hurt me? Okay. So, just some change here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to try not to get them all on the street.
I don't know where you are. It's the last thing I need to be concerned with. Oh, sorry for that.
So, feel free to have a cig, okay? Talk to me about the half ounce of meth in there. So, talk to me about the cash now. Just over $500 or so cash. And all the individual baggies. I mean, like I said, it's not my first day out here.
No, I know,
Assuming there's some dealing
It's like
going
I'm
around.
not. I don't like sell drugs like that.
Okay.
I really don't. I'm just an on and off addict. You know.
Sorry, what?
I'm just I've been an addict on and off for like my whole life.
Okay. So, are you willing to talk to me about where you got that from?
Yeah.
Are you willing to talk to anyone about that at some point? Okay. So, is there anything else we should be looking for in the vehicle then? Because I want to be able to document that you're
That's all
cooperative
it.
with me and honest, right?
Yeah, that's all it. That's all.
Cool.
I just want to make sure I'm not getting ripped off when I buy stuff. You know.
Okay.
And
So,
bags, you can't buy bags individually, so I just buy one. You know. And a bulk. Like just get them at the head shops. You know.
you just place your hand behind your back then, okay? So I'm going to take this bracelet off for now, okay? I'll make sure it goes in your belongings though.
All right. You take my first the other card?
Yep, anything else that you'd like to be in your belongings?
The date was September 11th, 2025, and at 3:25 p.m., a simple traffic violation for running a red light led to a major narcotics bust. When the officer pulled over the driver, who initially identified herself as Taylor, he immediately noticed her hands were shaking and her breathing was heavy. Suspicious of her extreme nerves, a canine unit was called to the scene. After the dog alerted to the presence of drugs, the driver's facade crumbled. She eventually confessed that Taylor was a fake name, revealing her true identity as Erica Ryan. A thorough search of the vehicle uncovered more than just a lie. Officers found a digital scale, distribution baggies, needles, and over $500 in cash. Erica was taken into custody and now faces a mountain of legal trouble, including possession of methamphetamine, misappropriation of identity, and a serious probation violation. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation. If you enjoy videos and want to support my small channel, you can become a Patreon member, where you will get unfiltered videos without watermarks and many more options. The link's waiting for you in the pinned comment.